So in the package you will find the Aotedor wheelchair, a toolkit, a user manual and a charger. To open the Aotedor wheelchair, one hand here and just press. Very easy. And finally, just snap this into place. And to install the controller, just slide it on to the arm. Take the fixing device, simply slide it into place and tighten it up. To lift the armrest is a very simple procedure. Just press the button and lift. Put it back into place. To adjust the handlebar is also very simple. Just undo the two screws at the back and lift. Push down to replace and tighten the two screws up again. Okay, now we're going to remove the battery. The first thing we need to do is disconnect the lead. Very simple, just put it safely. Underneath there's a clip. You just need to operate the clip and then very simply just pull the battery out. There are two charging methods for the battery. The first one is on the battery just here, and the second one is on the controller. I can show you that just here underneath the controller. Also we have anti-tip wheels. They're operated by just pulling this clip and then removing the wheel. Here you can see we've got 3 settings. Just simply put it back into the slot and then set it to wherever you need it. The seat and the backrest are both made of breathable material, so they're very comfortable. To remove the seat, you simply just lift. It's just a Velcro seat, and then to put it back into place, just press into place. There are 2 storage bags, both very useful. The first one is underneath the seat, just here, very easy access. And the second one, the backrest of the seat, also very useful. On the wheelchair there is a locking device. At the moment it is in a lock position for it to be used in a powered mode. Just push these 2 red clips down and it becomes a normal wheelchair. Push it back up and it's locked. For extra safety and extra durability, we have 4 solid rubber tyres. Very safe. The operation of the Aotedor wheelchair is very simple. The power switch, a horn, accelerator, and forward. Push forward to move forward, turn, and to reverse, and forward. Okay, and to fold the Aotedor wheelchair, you just simply push this, and you go around the front, lift up the foot plates, and then just